Hello guys, this is Mr. AB. I'm on your way with another new video, how to solve the log equations and expression using the calculator, which is the Fx-991, the one that is allowed exams. You have it at your disposal throughout the exams. You need to know how to use it, and that is what the video is about. I'm going to explain all the secret, all the commands that you need from the calculator for you to get it right fast and easy. So we have a log equation here. They want us to find the x, and as I did in the last video, the variable is here. You see the alpha, which is alphabet, and then we are going to use this variable x here. So we enter our 3 log 2 plus x, which is, you pick it half variable here, close the bracket, and the equal. See, you get the half, and you see this equal here. Don't go ahead and use this. If you use this one, it's going to make it wrong. And then log 27, close the bracket, and we are about to solve it. So solve is here. We hit shift and then calc, and that gives us that, and then we hit equal, and then you basically the answer is going to be 1, but hit equal again for you to solve for x, and the answer is 1. B is the correct option here. Okay, so we want to evaluate this log expression. So the same way here, this is a fractional, so pick our fraction here, and it's log square root of 243. You see this bracket, so we have to also close it to make it inclusive, and then minus log root 27. We have to close that one too with a bracket. We come to the denominator, and it's log 81, and then you close it. You have to be very careful when it comes to using of the bracket. Make sure you're covering it with a bracket. Other than that, you will get an error. And then you hit equal. This one we didn't use a solve because this is just expression. So you use, when you're evaluating expression, you use this equal, and that gives us a quarter, which is 1/4, which is quarter. A is a correct answer. Okay. You have the calculator at your disposal, so as you go to the exams, you can use it. We have done all this thing without using the calculator, and so in case you want a deeper understanding, I will attach that one to the video also for you to refresh and review the lesson in case you want to go by without using a calculator. We have equation here, and here you see log of base 10. The calculator is already in a log of base 10. So if a log is written without a base, we assume that it's supposed to be base 10, but here they put it in there. So let's go ahead, and we can still use this log, or in case you want to, you can also use this one, but I'm going to stick with this one. And also we will be using the variable x as we did it in our linear equation. So it's a fractional, so let's pick our fractional bar, and we have log n. So we are using the variable x here. We close the bracket, we come to the denominator, and it's log 64. We close it, we make a space. The equal, don't use this equal. If you use this equal, look at what is happening. You're gonna get it wrong. So you have to use this half equal over here, and it's half, so fractional 1/2, push it aside, and now we are about to solve it. So we go to shift, calculate, and that give us the answer. We push it again, and we get 8. So the answer is B. We have another equation here. So the variable is y. We're supposed to find the value of y, but we will use the variable x because the calculator have x. We're using log x is equals to, so you go to half equal, and 3 log 2 bracket plus log 3 bracket close minus log 6 close it. We're about to solve it, so we go to shift calc equal and equal. That gives us easy peasy 4. As I said, we have done this one without using a calculator, so check on the playlist. I will also attach it in the description. Alright, let's look at one more expression. So we're supposed to simplify. When we are simplifying or we are evaluating the expression, we do not use the equal here, we use this one. So let's go ahead. This is a fractional, so we pick our fractional bar, and now we have log 27, close the bracket, and then log 6, close it, minus log 2, close it, and equal. Boom. That tells you that the answer is 3, and it's A. You're making it easy and easy for you guys. In this video, we have looking at how to use a calculator to solve the logarithmic equation and expression. Guys, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. Like the video and leave us a comment. We will always trying to bring you the fastest and the best and the easy and the quicker way of solving your WAEC question. Be blessed. Bye bye.